right, so if you're anything like me, one of the things that drives me absolutely batty is the fact that every single day my kids are late getting out the door for school. Well, here in North Delta, I have the perfect solution for you because no longer will that be the problem. Because the fact of the matter is that now your kids can walk to school. You won't be the bad guy. This place is awesome. Come on in, let's have a look. Okay, so the cool thing about a side yard like this, you've got a ton of space for your RV. Oh, I didn't realize we were still recording. Anyways, thank you for touring this house. It is absolutely awesome. If you'd like a personal tour, reach out to us, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're just curious about what your place is worth, we'd love to connect with you as well. Look forward to seeing you soon.